This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous sub-region of the Bordeaux wine region in the southwest of France, making a lot of wine. Yes, Blaye makes a lot of wines from the Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot, red grape varieties in particular, but they do make some white wines in Blaye as well. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, do not say Blaye or anything Blaye or anything like that. Just go with the French pronunciation, typical French pronunciation, that is Blaye, Blaye, Blaye. So do not say Blaye, but rather Blaye. You do want to pronounce the A in the center, and the Y is like an I, so the sound E in French, and then E. Blaye, Blaye. The typical French pronunciation again, Blaye. The wines from Blaye in the Bordeaux wine region of France, Blaye. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here is a video listing the top 20 wines from Bordeaux that you should absolutely nail the pronunciation of. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.